Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have a big haul from Dollar Tree and I'm going to show you all the stuff. First I'm going to show you this one because I opened and I wanted to see how hard are these clamps, craft clamps, okay? And they are so cute. They are coming pink and yeah, I'm going to do some woodwork, so I need it. And yeah, this is very good. Okay, so it comes 6 in there and it's perfect for my project. Okay, so I had that one. Then I also got this two piercing and scoring tool, and I'm going to open for you. I didn't record in the store because my battery was very low. But look, I'm gonna show you with this paper. Okay, one is one is very thin right here and the other one is bigger. So I use this one to pierce paper, but I also see very fine. And this is the second one. See how little is the hole? Good, right? So perfect. Then in the other side, it comes this part up here that you can score paper, cardboard, anything. Okay, so it comes with the caps right here, so it's safe. So that's very good. Okay, and then I got something new. Look, I found this one on a hanging strip. Look at this. I like this part up here. So these are like little notebooks, but I'm gonna show you. I need to cut this one. Okay, to show you something. Oh. Okay, this one, it says that it's a notebook. It says Wild at Heart. It comes with 4 discs right here, but look, the pages, it's so fun. It comes in black, so you can use your white pen or any other metallic pen, gel pens. So it's very nice. And you can also take some and put some cardstock and make small mini album. So cute. I love it. Look, this one comes with black pages, and I'm going to show you the other one. So it was easier if I just take them from here and then slide it. Okay, look, this one says it's the little things in life, and look, orange pages. So cute, right? Then this one, okay, comes with just this floral and red pages that matches some of the flowers right here. See? Then this one right here, it's a llama design on top. Okay, and this one comes with green pages. You can even, if you buy 4, you can even take some pages and make like 4 different sections, like a little bit of green and then put some red, put some black. That's a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna play with this one and I'll see how I'm going to use it. So I'm so happy with this finding. Okay, then I found this one. It's new. This pouch, it says hello beautiful. They were in many colors, but what I like of this is like it's kind of foam. Okay, so it's like those padded foams like for the computers. Okay, it doesn't have liner, but it's really good. Okay, kind of thick, so you can put something delicate inside and it's going to be protected. So it was very nice to find this one. Then I found this, and they were in many colors, okay? And it says coupon holder. When I saw this one, I thought of something that I can put in here. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, you open like this, and it's very nice that it has this kind of closure. I like it. And you open, and you have pockets right here, but then the pages are like this. Look, you can put something big in here, right here, another one, and then this one opens like this. So you have 6 in this page, okay? And I don't know if you can see, okay, this is a large pocket. Okay, you can put a document if you want. Okay, and I'm gonna show you my idea on how to use this one. I have a lot of the stamps, the Julie Nadine stamps, and this was a gift, and I have a few more, and I love them because they were gifts from other crafters. And I really like to keep them as a sample, and if I make any, I will put in here because I have a lot of those stamps. I want to start coloring, and I think it will be very nice if I save my dolls right here. So I really liked this kind of folder, see, so I can keep my dolls. Okay, and I just bought 2 just in case one is not enough. Okay, so that's how I'm going to use them. Then I bought one of these because I want to make charms, and I needed this one because it has a lot of slots in here, so I can put the beads and play with and make some charms. Okay, and then I found one of these and I love it. I'm gonna put it on the wall because everyone that comes to my house asks for the password. It says be our guest, Wi-Fi password, and they had different kinds, and they even have black ones, small ones, so many. So I'm going to hang this one by the living room so people can get free Wi-Fi. Then I got this one that says home sweet home, and it looks like a house, right? So this one is going to be kind of decoration, but what I like about this is that it has a tea light, and look, see? And I was thinking to put like a vellum paper or something that it's not too bright in here. It covers a little bit, so it looks much better. I don't know what I'm going to do, and maybe put that roof or something, decorate a little bit more. But this part up here is very nice, and they had different ones, so I don't know if it's new, if it was for a long time, but I like it. Okay, then I got one of these. Okay, and this is a picture holder, but I was thinking to use this one to hold my cards, for example the last ones, and I don't want to put them away until I take pictures and do everything. So I was thinking to hold them in here and keep putting more and more until I'm done with the job, and then I put it away, right? So also I was thinking that this one holds my phone on the side or right here. Right here is almost exactly, but if you just press right here, then it holds better, okay, your phone. So was very good for me to have one of these. And yeah, anything that you want to put on the side, for example, if you're working on a mini album or something and you want to put one of the pages or something that you're doing, you can leave it up here. Okay, so that's how I'm going to use this one. They have a lot of the sheer ribbon, and other ones they have a satin and sheer, and they have new kind of ribbon, but these are the ones that I use the most. And then I got some stuff for my DIY that I'm going to make, and I bought these 2 arrows. Okay, these are signs, but I'm going to use it in a different way. And I'm going to use the woodwork glue because somebody asked me to test this glue, and so I got one of these. Okay, and then I got, okay, these 2 trays. Okay, and I like these ones because the size is pretty good. Okay, I saw the crates and they were kind of small. These are 4.5 inside. Okay, and then right here is like 6, a little bit more than 6.25. And I'm going to make different projects. You can only get these 2 handles, okay, the star and this one. So I grab any, and my projects are going to be different, and I'm gonna show you how to cover that, or if you want to use it like that. I hope you like my findings, and if you go to Dollar Tree, you can take a look on that. Okay, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for Friday on my DIY video. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.